Hello everyone, this is Vlad from Vaxley, and today we're going to two really exceptional property, because today we're going to two commercial property which is like literally polyclinic. There is a chance that most of the viewers of this video are the clients on this clinic. Why? Because this clinic has 35 years of experience working here in La Nucía. Why this clinic located in La Nucía? Because La Nucía is European city of sports, and if you didn't know, government invests a lot of money to different programs and to attract different companies and different investors to build here the sport infrastructure. It is only one benefit why this clinic is super beneficial opportunity. But let's check it out, this building, and during that video you will get different information, and in the end of the video I will show you the price. This building has 435 square meters built with the 1973 square meters of the plot. The volume of this land plot is 0.75 per square meter. That means that if you will calculate, you'll understand that you can have a more built square meters that already exist. If you want to get more details about this law stuff, you can contact us and we will explain you everything. This building consists of two floors. We are now on the first floor. On the first floor, when we enter to the building, we can see the reception area with the two waiting areas. A lot of space that our clients can wait for the doctor. Here we have a reception area. As you can see, in reception area we have a lot of different stuff, a lot of different spaces to maintain different documents. Okay, then we have another independent roof with different IT stuff there. I want to highlight to you that there are a lot of businesses for sale, but most of them they are already closed. In this case, this is really beneficial opportunity. Why? Because this clinic is working and has 6 doctors with the different staff here inside, with the 35 years of experience and with the ready clients. And another very essential opportunity is that this clinic has a license. You know how much difficult now to get the license? It's like a lot of time, a lot of money and a lot of work. That business already has it. So this is the first room, first office of the doctor. As you can see, the doctor can have the consultation with the clients. Now this is examination room with the special machines here, with the special surface, with the water, with the different places to keep the medical stuff. So here we have another examination room. As you can see, everything is already prepared for the work. And then we are passing to another examination room with the special surface here. This examination room, like the first one, is connected with the office of the doctor. Also, as I mentioned before, we have 2 bathrooms on the first floor in this side. So here on the first floor we also have a special laboratory of the clinic with everything needed for that. Then we have another part of the floor with different rooms. Also in this part we have a kitchen for all the workers in this clinic, which is very convenient to have a place where you can just heat up food and enjoy your lunch. So that room is really special because as you can see how strong this door is. So it's like really super strong. Why? Because this room is adapted and specially built for the X-ray. So now you will not find the machine of the X-ray here because the current administration they don't provide that service, but you can know that there is the special room for that one with the everything appliances for that one. You can just put the X-ray machine and continue doing and providing that kind of the service. So in 2002 that building was renovated, and in this renovation, as a result of this renovation, we can see the new stairs which connects like ground floor with the first floor, and also we have already installed well quality Otis elevator that can deliver a client from the first floor to ground floor. Okay, let's check it out, the ground floor of this clinic with the dialysis center there. From your private parking on the backyard of the building, you have the entrance, direct entrance to the ground floor of the clinic, where you can come inside. You can see like a small foyer with the waiting area here, the entrance to the elevator if you want to go up on the first floor, or you have here the entrance to the dialysis center of the Polyclinic La Nucía. Here we have a professional dialysis center with the 10 machines here. It stopped working in 2012 because of the structuring the medicine sector, and then the current owner stopped the dialysis business in that clinic and started to grow other services of the Polyclinica of the La Nucía. So here we have the osmosis room with the water tank on the 40,000 liters. So now that room is a storage room, but it could be adapted for another purpose. Also in this room we have a central electricity block. In the end of the video, I want to remind you the key points to buy this property with the business in it. First, this is location. It's located in La Nucía area, which is very popular and famous as a sport village. Second one, there is a possibility to increase the amount of square meters of the built area. Third is the law staff. The business is active and there is the active license to have this kind of activity. That means you don't need to spend money and time to get it again. Fourth, it's an active business and with the huge client base that was accumulated for the 35 years of working of this clinica. Another thing, that the current owner of that business is super successful and super professional and smart person, and he is ready to, after the purchase, to support the new owner, to adapt the business for new owner, and after the purchase to help with the things here. All of these key features are included in the price. The price of this building with the business is 1,150,000. If you want to get more details about this property, please contact us. Please subscribe us if you want to watch more video of the property in Costa Blanca. Thank you for joining us today. Nos vemos.